Good afternoon, students. 12th Accountancy, Incomplete Record. Already, last class we have studied on important methods of sum. Today, one new method of sum is the Indian Company Act 2013. In Act 2013, Indian Company Act is in 1932. The reforms is 2013. Section 128(1) is organization maintaining compulsory maintaining is record in financial recorded or double entry system both. Each and every organization is strictly followed this double entry system of accounting book. The organization in which a double entry system is not strictly followed, accounting record may be maintained as per the requirements and desire the proportions on accounts is very compulsory, is followed, strictly maintaining in double entry system. Okay, students, so one new method of sum, illustration 9. This method is different method sum. Last sum only you debit and credit only, but this sum is some depreciation, some new entries we enter. First I read out sum. Ahmad does not keep a proper book of account. Find out the profit and loss made by him for the year of ending 31st March 2018. Particulars: bank balance, cash in hand, stock, debtors, plant, furniture, creditor. That CR means you write CR side. DR means is debit. CR means credit. DR means debit. Okay, students. Is credit is liability or asset? Liability. Furniture, asset. Plant, asset. Debtors is asset. Stock is asset. Bank balance is liability. Next, Ahmad had withdraw 40,000 is personal use. He had introduced 16,000 as capital for expansion in the business. A providing 5% debtors is to be made a plan is to be a debtors is to be depreciated at 10%. Okay, students. This is one opening date. The next one is closing date. You calculate. Ahmad does not keep a proper book of account. Find out the profit and loss made in the year ending March 31st, 2018. This method question is first you use in double side paper only. Students do not use in overwriting. Use only in double side paper. The sheet is top line is in the book of account. Next one, left hand side calculating opening capital. Listen, compulsory you write calculation of opening capital. Next line is statement of a year 31st March 2017. That is one side liability, next one side is asset. One side is liability, next one side is asset. The bank balance is overdraft 14,000, creditor 60,000. This only the two entries only creditor's entry. Other entries also is what? asset, cash in the hand. You how much you 25 lakhs your cash balance bank balance means you that is cash in hand. Stock is a asset oriented content. Debtors, plant, furniture. This content is what? Bank. So this content on what? Asset oriented content. Next, students, you write this entry, the highest total minus lowest total. That answer is balancing figure. Highest means how much? It's 1,66,800. This side is lowest total. How much? 60,000, 14,000, 74,000. 1,66,800 minus how much? 74,000. The balancing figure is how much? 92,800. This is a opening capital. Next one, you calculate closing capital. Calculate in closing capital. Next one, new page. Turn next one, new page. Turn next the top of the column. Statement of affair 31st March 2018. How much? This date amount only you used. The bank balance is DR. DR means what? DR means what? DR means asset side. CR means liability. DR means asset side. The bank balance is 18,000. Cash in hand 1,500. Stock 16,000. Debtors is how much? 30,000. Listen, the last line is what? Listen students, next one. The debtors is how much? 30,000. The last line, a provision 5% debtors to be made. How much? 5%. 30,000 mean debtors how much? 30,000. 30,000 is 5%. How much? 1,500. You this double figure you used means you enter only in double side means you enter in inside column. Inside column means double line. First one is inside column. Next one is outside column. Listen, 2017 is inside column means 2018 is a outside column. This side 30,000. Debtors 30,000 less provision for bad and doubtful debt at 5%. That amount is 1,500 minus how much? 28,500. Next plant how much? Yeah, plant how much rupees? 80,000 rupees. Listen. Last line, plant is to be depreciated at 10%. Plant and how much percentage? 10%. 80,000 minus less depreciation is 8,000 equal to 72,000. Furniture how much? 40,000. The total figure of 1,76,000. This side only credited how much? Creditors same 72,000 only. You enter 72,000. The highest total less means the highest total is how much? 1,76,000. The lowest total is 72. Is balancing is how much? 1 lakh rupees. How much? 1,04,000. 1,04,000 means total is double side even only. You write a DR and CRS up and down, do not write. You write only in equal line. Equal line means this side, liability side, same line only you enter in asset side amount. This is up and down means that sum is wrong only. Highest total means lowest total. How much? 1,04,000. That is what? Capital of beginning. The capital of first one is what? Beginning means opening capital. Next one is balancing figure is what? Closing capital. Next one, listen students. Next one, the statement of the profit and loss for the year ending 31st March 2018. First one, opening capital 31/3/2018. How much? How much? Opening capital. Opening capital means this amount only. Opening capital. Opening capital is how much? 92,800. Listen student, this side not clear. That is opening capital is 92,800 is opening capital. Closing capital means 1,04,000. The statement, listen, the top one side you use only in single side paper. Statement of profit and loss for the year ending 31st March 2018. First one is closing capital. This one. Second one is a closing capital. How much? 1 lakh rupees. Drawing during the year. Drawing means this. Hagamat was drawn a 40,000. Hagamat, how much draw? 40,000 minus 1 lakh. Listen, closing capital add drawing during the year. How much? 1,04,000 add 40,000. Answer is 1,44,000. Next, less additional capital. Introduce the during. Additional capital is how much? Listen. He introduced 16,000 capital and expansion of human business. That is what? Additional capital introduced during the year. How much? 16,000 minus 1,28,000. The opening capital is how much? 92,800 minus final answer is 3,20,000. 3,20,000 is a profit for the year ending of 31/3/2018. This is only the statement of profit and loss is method. You compulsory one sum and 2 mark. This method is, listen students, depreciation or providing calculate depreciation percentage. You enter only in open, you calculate minus only in closing capital only. Do not use in opening capital. You opening capital use means wrong answer only reflected. Students, you write only in closing capital only you used. Next one, the statement affair method is, that is 2 marks sum, but separately this sum is opening capital, closing capital and statement affair of. Clear students? Any doubt? Listen students, accountancy practice only best. More practice means you get more marks in accountancy. This time lockdown period, you revision for so much of sum, so much of lessons, you again and again you reading. Okay students. students, you again you this is one book exercise sum. Next class, everybody show your note. This is important method of sum. Okay, students. Next class we will study next one new topic. Okay, thank you, students.